how much you lost on paid campaigns before being in profit. I think I lost a few $1,000s. Okay, the first time I ever started, I mean, I was working jobs, making money, very low amounts of money, and then investing into campaigns that were not profitable that I was learning. And if you're not able to learn from mistakes, you're not going to get far. And here's the thing, though, by saying that, by default, humans naturally learn from mistakes. If they don't, then there's something wrong, and that's very rare that something's wrong with the human. Okay, human brain with that. Okay, it's just very natural for someone to learn from mistakes. And so I spent thousands of dollars before I was profitable to my first campaign. My first ever profitable campaign was not sweepstakes. It was actually a tripwire funnel in the keto niche. Okay, with Facebook ads, and it was extremely profitable. I mean, it was like around 5x, including the back end freaking monetization. I mean, I can still promote forever to that list of buyers. Okay, and I think I had around a few thousand buyers. Okay, and then it just died down because I mean I wasn't as experienced. And now I've gone on to do any niche I want to do and do tripwire funnels and absolutely crush it. But the best traffic source for a tripwire funnel is YouTube ads. Okay, you can do it with adult, but YouTube ads is the best. YouTube ads is not strict. Okay, and YouTube ads has some very powerful things you can do with it. Okay, I could go in depth on that, but that'll be for a future product launch or something where I'll have a course about it. But Facebook's very strict, and but Facebook has a conversion pixel where you can track that. Same with YouTube ads, same with Google ads. So any platform that has that ability is very, very powerful. I mean, it cannot be overlooked.